Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is gonna make a new unboxing for today. So okay, so without further ado, so let's gonna start up. Okay, so um this one right here, I believe that this is my new card wallet over here. So this is my new EDC card wallet. So let's try to open this up. So how this one, so whoa, okay, and it comes with a box on it, right? So let's see how durable this one, right? Okay, sturdy box. Let's see how durable this one. Oh, nice. Okay, oh, I love it. So I think there's you know, a sleeve for your cash right over here. Oh, I like this one. Okay, so I like this one. So it is a magnetic, right? So okay, let's gonna start it up. So I'm gonna have to take all of my cards so that I can try it out. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna have to put all of my cards right here. Okay, I'm gonna have to put all of my cards. uh, I I believe this is how it goes, right? So okay, and okay, this is not the way that it goes. So I think I'm gonna have to pull this off right here. So I forgot how to operate this one. So I just put all of the cards, but I think I have to put that over here so that it can be, right? So it can be put it back right over here, and then gonna have to, you know uh right, and then gonna have to put it back. Okay, so and then that one over there, and then we're gonna get over to the last one. Okay, okay, I think that's will be great. And then okay, there we go, there you have it. Okay, there you go. Yeah, that works really good, right? So I just have to take that off, and then also, my card is gonna be right over here so that I can take it, okay, really close, and then right over here. Yeah, that's good, right? So perfect. So and there's also got some sleeve for your cash right over here, and then just gonna get over to this one right over here, and then oh, nice, perfect. Whoa, love this, I love this. So where do I gonna put this, my one right over here, my social security, and also my green card. So I think okay, so so this is confidential, right? So I cannot, you right. So okay, so there's nothing else right here. So this one right here is so perfect and also nice. I didn't expect that there will be a cash slot for it, right? So I didn't expect that there will be a cash slot. So this great, and this is perfect. So right, so I think since I need some, I have to, sometimes, oh, why is this so hard to get out? Okay, and then right over here, so we got some, can we put, okay, it cannot be put out like that, so I need to fold it like that, and then there it goes, right? Yeah, perfect. That's one is perfect for me to get out of, to take out my cash, right? And then also, right, so why is it so, why is it so yo, right? So I think that will be good, right? So that will be good, right? So perfect. So one thing that's a problem with it is so hard, right? So it is really but when I you know but when I it is so hard, right? Okay, yeah, but overall good and perfect, right? So okay, so I don't have much time, is because I still have work today. So it's morning already here in Denver, out in Wyoming. So it's 9, you can see 9:17, and I have also work in 11. So I have to get take a bath, and also anything that I can do before 11, right? So it's because the bus will get me here with 11:40, 10:45. Okay, so I think that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell, and yes, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you again on my next video, everyone. Peace.